Neem oil benefits and uses health. Neem is definitely the home plant in most countries' family. However, in nowadays, these plants are vanished through. The home in places of the neem small flower plants are appears. Neem plants are grown in huge range when they have the space to cultivate. It is best natural product for human life. It is effective results. It is essential for human life and it is effective for 7 diseases. Number 1. Neem oil for dry skin. Neem oil is a highly effective skin conditioner and excitant uses arises of the skin that are exposed and washed frequently and tend to be more dry, such as the face, hands and feet. Number 2. Neem oil for hair loss. It is important to maintain and take care of your hair so that you can prevent hair ailments such as hair loss. Add a few drops of neem oil to your shampoo. Use daily or every alternate day and see the difference. Number 3. For killing head lice. Head lice is a common problem mostly in school-going kids which can easily spread to the rest of family too. Neem oil disturbs the breeding of head lice. Wash your hair and comb with wet teeth comb and the head lice will fall out. Number 4. Neem for malaria. Neem oil is effective in reducing multiplication of mosquito larvae and diseases and pond investigation reason indicate chance of utilizing neem oil as an eco-sociable malaria control agent. Number 5. Neem oil for split ends. Split ends often happen when hair weak, congent, black and the hair soft. Can be many reasons why split ends occur such as harsh heat styling, damaged hair products, sunlight and more. Number 6. Neem oil for eczema and psoriasis. Both eczema and psoriasis are skin conditions that cannot be cured but only controlled. Neem oil can effectively control the inflammation. Number 7. Neem oil for dandruff. Neem oil is commonly found in many anti-dandruff shampoos. It is effective matter for dandruff. In this video, we are talking about best 7 home remedies to get rid of skin.
Please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon.